Hello traders, hello everyone, and welcome to our new video update. Now I want to look here just to give you a quick update actually on some of the markets. But before we go some of the charts and developments for this week, just let me remind you that like each year we are going to record the Elliott wave outlook for 2024. So for the past few years, we've been discussing about the markets. We covered some of the big pictures of the major markets. So if you don't want to miss this free update, make sure to subscribe to our email list. This link to the email list will be posted below this video in the comment section. Okay, so firstly, I want to look at the dollar index. As you know, dollar index has made recently 5 waves to the downside. It broke lower after this dovish Fed speculations for 2024. So we are definitely in downtrend here because we know after every 5 waves, we know that market has changed a direction. So if that's the case, then more weakness should be seen. So I think that there can be some slowdown, some stabilization here going into this Christmas and New Year holidays, when market could be, trading conditions could be a little bit thinner. So watch out for potential sideways price action, maybe even some recovery here on a higher degree scale. Keep in mind that stocks are trading at potentially strong resistance. We are also seeing 5 waves up on the S&P 500. So maybe there will be some setbacks which could allow dollar index to stabilize a bit, but nonetheless that's still a downtrend, right? Because you have 5 waves down. But if you want to join this weakness, of course you want firstly to wait on a free wave rally. So if we see at the start of next week, if we see free wave bounce, I think that there will be some opportunity still on the short side of the dollar. So on the opposite side of this, of course, we just think that there could be more strength on commodity currencies. Kiwi, Aussie are doing very well. Even Mexican peso is now trying to wake up once again. And this has been the case actually since the US yields broke to the downside at the start of November and when stocks moved higher. So I think that Aussie, Kiwi, Mexican peso, all of these could do very well still in the first part of 2024. Now, if we take a look here maybe on some longer term chart, here's an ABC very deep correction on Aussie. We are just breaking out, so I think that there can be buy the dip scenario. So if we see a pullback, I think that more gains could be seen here. Also keep in mind that RBI meeting minutes actually showed that they are somehow considering potential another rate hike of 25 basis points. So clearly Aussie could stay in this bullish path. Also dollar yen, well, Bank of Japan today now didn't bring anything new regarding the policy change, but still they said that normalization may happen maybe in March. Okay, somehow they hinted that in 2024 they will most likely do something about it. So if there will be a policy change by Bank of Japan, we know that Japanese yen most likely will see more upside, but looks like that's still premature for this speculation. But I think that we are in a corrective phase here. Very nice resistance could be seen around 147 to 148. That would be the perfect spot for the next sell-off. That's also the trendline resistance if you look here back from March of 2023. So maybe it could react as a resistance here around the 61.8% as well. So maybe this is somehow some kind of a flat formation, but we will see if this really resistance will really cause a new or potential sell-off here. Keep in mind that for now, as I said, dollar index is at a potential support. So if we see any kind of a rally at the start of the year, this could bring dollar yen a little bit higher here, potentially to even better levels. And now finally, let's take a look on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as you know, we have seen some very volatile price action here over the last 24 hours, but still we are in this consolidation phase, and consolidations are made by free waves. And since that was only first leg to the downside, I think that's wave A, it means that you are now in wave B corrective stage. So watch out for another potential drop for a wave C. So very nice support remains around 38,000, I think. So there you have also the previous swing highs here, as well as the 38.2%. Slightly higher is the 23.6%. So definitely first support is the 40,000 area, no doubt, but the deeper one is the 38. So I think that again at the start of the year, if we will see these levels here, I think that there can be some bounce coming. Traders, I also want to invite you to subscribe to our Elliott Wave newsletter, because as like each year we will send out a free update of 2024 outlook. Okay, so I will cover some major markets like at the end of each year, so make sure to subscribe to this list and you will get the video straight into your email box. Have a good day.